All right. Mary really created a container where everyone just, we dropped in so easily, and it felt like there was space for us to find ourselves. And then it became a truly magical experience where we were able to connect so much deeper. And yeah, it felt like the voice of God was kind of whispering to our hearts. And the experience unfolded through a lot of different somatic exercises. So it felt like we were learning about what Mary teaches through the exercises, which is a really like embodied way to learn.
Yeah, I was really appreciating the transmission through the exercises themselves of what Mary was kind of, it's like the magic that Mary has in her back pocket, then offering to us through these embodied experiences where we got to, like really deeply connect beyond words. We found ourselves laughing. I mean, I was laughing, I was crying. We felt like it was such a beautiful container that she held, and David as well was really, they're an amazing team. And so I'm appreciating this experience. We're going to take it with us and continue to carry it with us. And thank you so much.